I actually tell people I can't decide because we love everything. I mean, everything is such an improvement. I'll be in the kitchen, I'm like, I love my kitchen. The shower is amazing. It was a bit of a splurge, but it's got the rain. Yeah, it's got the, you know, the rain shower and everything. We just love that. But no, I love the counter. The cabinetry is beautiful. And I think being able to see, you know, all the way through, when you walk in the front door, you can see all the way through to the backyard. And we really love when we're in bed and we have all those new windows and the sliding glass doors to be able to see all the greenery.